Every year on November 11th, Canadians pause in a moment of silence to honor and remember the men and women who have served and continue to serve Canada during times of war, conflict, and peace. This specific date and time commemorates the armistice agreement that ended the First World War on Monday, November the 11th, 1918 at 11 a.m., the 11th hour of the 11th day of the 11th month. We remember the more than 2,300,000 Canadians who have served throughout our nation's history and the more than 118,000 who have made the ultimate sacrifice.
It was June 6, 1944. Today is the day we invade northern France. My squad and I have been traveling for the past 3 days on a ship to the beaches of Normandy. We've been training for this moment for years on end and didn't know it was going to happen.
Digging trenches, planting bombs. I was so nervous though. Never know when one might explode on you.
We are happy we are finally stopped because we've been on the move for at least 3 months, non-stop. I've had it with walking. I just want to lay down and hope someone picks me up.
Jack, Alex, and I were assigned to duty to fight. At first, I was scared, and I was nervous to go to battle. They helped me get through my anxiety. They taught me how to shoot a gun. They showed me how to take care of myself on the battlefield, and how to train to be a medic.
I'm sprinting through the field. Enemy fire is taking my friends out. Have to make a move. I need to find cover. I got behind a rock. The enemies were up ahead. They didn't expect me to get behind the rock, so I took off my rifle and started firing. No hits.
Today we lost Leland. He's one of my best friends. I miss him a lot.
Just playing cards after a battle against Germany. We are all war veterans. We've survived for 5 years together. That's a long time for any soldier, especially soldiers in the second line.
I'm pretty sure that the war is over. I'm so glad that I got to spend time with my buddy. He tells the best jokes and me and him always have a good laugh. We have been staying here for quite a while. Maybe it's time to get out so we can be free and smell the fresh air.
I know I haven't been writing as much, but I just want you to know I love you so much, and I hope I will be home soon. Yours truly, Gregory.
In Flanders Fields, the poppies blow. Between the crosses, row on row, that mark our place, and in the sky, the larks, still bravely singing, fly, scarce heard amid the guns below. We are the dead, short days ago. We lived, felt dawn, saw sunset glow, loved, and we were loved, and now we lie in Flanders Fields. Take up our quarrel with the foe. To you from failing hands we throw. The torch be yours to hold it high. If ye break faith with us who die, we shall not sleep, though poppies grow in Flanders Fields.
They shall grow not old, as we that are left grow old. Age shall not weary them, nor the years condemn. At the going down of the sun, and in the morning, we will remember them.